Imagine turning junk into treasure. Dive into the world of upcycling and discover creative ways to give old items a new life. Don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on our crafty adventures. Ready to unleash your inner artist? Grandmother's costume jewelry. Your grandmother's costume jewelry, with its deep sentimental value, might be sitting in a drawer, unworn. But instead of letting it gather dust, why not turn it into a stunning decoration? Gather old frames, felt or velvet, and thin cardstock. Arrange the jewelry in fun designs like stars, trees, or around family photos, and glue them onto the fabric. It will create a unique and meaningful piece of art that you can proudly display. Plastic cat treat containers. Plastic cat treat containers are often thick and durable, with colorful lids that can be repurposed. Remove the labels by soaking them off, then tack the lids onto an old board. These containers, now transformed, can store beans, rice, or other dry items. They are both functional and decorative, bringing a charming touch to your kitchen. Old wooden shutters. Old wooden shutters are a treasure trove for creative minds. You can find them at thrift stores, ready to be upcycled into beautiful wall art. Clean them up and use stencils to add images or words, turning them into unique decorations. String wire or clothesline across the shutters and attach family photos with painted clothespins, creating a personal photo display. Rickety wooden ladder. Turn an old wooden ladder into a stylish piece and practical decorative element. Clean it up, paint it, and use it to hang towels or blankets in a guest room. You can also turn it sideways and hang it horizontally to create a quirky bookshelf. It adds character to any room and makes use of an otherwise forgotten item. Old suitcase. Vintage suitcases made of firm materials can be upcycled into unique furniture. Take an old suitcase and attach wooden spindles for legs, then add a cushion for comfort. This stylish chair will become a conversation starter and a statement piece in your home. The sturdy construction of these old suitcases ensures they can support the weight, making them both practical and fashionable. Old books. Books can become more than just reading material. They can be transformed into decorative shelves. Use brackets or large paint stirrers to create an L shape on the wall, and place the books on top. Secure them with nails or glue for stability. These bookshelves add a literary touch to your space and showcase your creativity. Wine corks. Wine corks are perfect for crafting beautiful art pieces. Save your corks, and ask friends to save theirs, too. With some creativity, you can make cork boards, painted images of animals, or any other design your imagination conjures up. Wine corks are versatile and easy to work with, allowing you to create personalized and meaningful artwork. Upcycling is all about reimagining old items as raw materials for new creations. By thinking outside the box, you can turn junk into useful and beautiful items. Here are a few more ideas to spark your creativity. Repurposing old t-shirts. Old t-shirts can be repurposed into numerous different items. You can tie-dye them with striking colors, rainbows, or whatever else you want. Cut them into strips to create braided rugs or use them as cleaning rags. You can also sew them into reusable shopping bags, giving them a new lease on life while reducing waste. Turning glass jars into storage. Glass jars, like those used for jams or sauces, can be repurposed into stylish storage solutions. Clean them thoroughly and use them to store spices, buttons, or small office supplies. Decorate the lids with paint or fabric to add a personal touch. These jars can be used as vases for small flower arrangements. Old tires as garden planters. Old tires can be upcycled into vibrant garden planters. Clean and paint them in bright colors, then stack them to create a tiered planter. Fill your planter with soil and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. It adds a pop of color to your garden and keeps tires out of landfills. Wine bottles as candle holders. You can turn empty wine bottles into elegant candle holders. Clean the bottles and insert taper candles into the necks. You can leave the bottles as they are or decorate them with paint or twine. These candle holders add a cozy and rustic charm to your home. Remember, upcycling allows you to create something unique and beautiful, reduce waste, and protect the environment. So, think of old items as raw materials and transform them into something extraordinary. Let's embark on this upcycling journey together. Your unique creations can inspire others. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and share your upcycling experiences in the comments below. Subscribe for more inspiring tips and ideas.